Welcome to the call today. My name is Michael Hahn, and I'm here to tell you how to make extra income by simply helping homeowners in Cook County save money. I'm going to ask you a quick question. Do you want to make extra money? Do you want to get paid for helping people? If you answered yes to either one of those, you're in the right place. We have a great opportunity for you to help people save money on their Cook County property taxes and make income yourself. We're looking for you to help us by being a township ambassador, someone who helps spread the good word about sadtaxman.com and helps people save money, helps reduce their property taxes if they're living in Cook County. I'm going to tell you more about the opportunity available to you, but this is how you can make extra income simply and easy by helping people do good by lowering their property taxes. I'll let you in on who we are. Sadtaxman.com. We created this company because we believe it's everybody's right to be able to appeal their taxes and to only pay the taxes that they need to pay and not overpay. Have you ever heard of TurboTax? It's basically the same thing. It's web-based, except ours is for Cook County property taxes and not income taxes. We believe that lowering your taxes should be straightforward and fun. And we've created a website that allows you to do that. We want to partner with you. We want you to be our township ambassador. It's about spreading the word about sadtaxman.com so that we can help other people save money on their property taxes and you can make an income doing it. And if you want to, you can recruit other people who you think would be great for this. Maybe they're real estate professionals, maybe they're insurance professionals, maybe stay-at-home moms, or maybe it's somebody who's out of work right now who could really use that extra income to help support their family. We need you to help get to those people so we can spread the word about Sad Tax Man and we can reduce people overpaying on their property taxes in Cook County. Are you with me? All right, so I'm going to give you the facts on appealing property taxes for those of you who don't know and have never done it before. We've done it before, we've been challenged with it, and I'm going to walk you through the process of all your different options in doing it and why Sad Tax Man is the best. I'll show you how to register and use Sad Tax Man. It's simple. You don't have to put your credit card in. You don't have to do anything to find out your estimated tax savings. I'll tell you the opportunity for you to make money by helping people, and I'll give you all the details you need for the income opportunity for you in this process. There's over 5 million people in Chicago, Cook County. And there's an estimated 70% of Chicago homeowners overpay on their Cook County property taxes. Now there's 1.5 million residences. This opportunity is amazing. Property taxes are expected to increase, not decrease. They're expected to increase by another $500 in 2016. It's ridiculous. Traditional ways of appealing taxes are costly and time-consuming. And that's why we created Sad Tax Man. Until now, there hasn't been an option to make it simple and easy for the average homeowner. Cook County's assessor's office mails a notice. This isn't really even a tax bill at this point. Once they're mailed, a township opens for applying for these appeals. There are over 38 townships, and those appeals are only open for a certain window, and that's 30 days. You can think of the 38 townships as towns: Evanston, Barrington, Lamont, Riverside, and 34 others. Once you get that notice, you have two options. You can do nothing and pay your proposed property taxes, or you can appeal. When you appeal, you need to appeal based on a lack of uniformity. In other words, if you can find other properties that are similar to yours or comparable properties, then you have grounds for an appeal. You prove it in your actual tax bills lowered to match those comparable properties. Now, there's certain criteria that needs to happen for those comparable properties. And it's difficult because there's up to 100 columns of data that needs to be filled out in these spreadsheets. So, what can you do? Well, here's your options. The average homeowner can let Cook County Assessor's Office do it. They can challenge it and say, hey, maybe you made a mistake. You can hire an attorney. You can do it yourself, or you can go to Sad Tax Man. And we're biased. We know because we've tried these other ways. And that's why we created this company in the first place. So let me walk you through the details on these real quickly. You can let Cook County Assessor's Office do this by, hey, just shoot them a response and say that you'd like them to reassess the taxes. You're at their mercy. They're setting values for 1.5 million residents and 300,000 commercial places. So here's a quote from their website. It's based on a mass appraisal system. A personal approach is not what you're going to get when you appeal this way. It may be easy, but your chances of success are far, far lower. You can hire an attorney. If your situation is complex, maybe you've got a whole bunch of things that are potentially limiting you, and then you decide to go with an attorney. But they're going to do the same thing as anyone else. They're going to crunch the numbers, and they're going to find 3 comparables, but they're going to charge you a hefty fee because the law school needs to pay off somehow. Option 3, do it yourself. Maybe you're a do-it-yourselfer. You can buy a local paper, you can start to crunch the data, and you could try to find out, where are those comparables? But in reality, is that going to work? It's probably just going to cause you frustration. That's why we created sadtaxman.com. Our software is super fast and accurate. We're going to show you how we got the numbers. We're going to crunch the math because we've employed incredibly complex formulas in here to go aggregate that data, to crunch it down, and to make it work for you. Here's our process. It's this simple. You go to sadtaxman.com. The average homeowner goes there. They enter their address or they enter their PIN number from the tax notice, and we estimate their tax savings. Boom. In under a minute, the calculations are created, and you either on the left-hand side of the screen, congratulations, or on the right-hand side, sorry, we can't save you. We can't save you anything right now. Come back in a few months and maybe we can. But I'm going to stop telling you about it, and I'm going to show it to you because it's so simple and intuitive. Anybody can do it, and that's why we created it. So I'm going to start a live demo here. When a homeowner comes in to use SadTaxman, they come to this site right here. It's this simple. They can either enter their information right here, their tax notice, their PIN number from their tax notice, or they can go down here and search by address. I'm going to show you by putting in a PIN. 10, 15, 2200, 32,000. And click start. And we wanted this to be fun, like a game. We didn't want it to be hard work. We didn't want you to be frustrated with it. It's this easy. And you don't have to put in your credit card number at any point in this process right now. All of this estimation is free. We decided to make it easy and transparent for the homeowner so they can come in and determine if they're being overcharged. So what's going on behind the scenes is all this aggregated complex transactions, pulling data, looking for 3 comparables, and determining if you have an estimated tax savings. And boom, right here, almost $2,900 worth of tax savings. So maybe you're saying, well, I want to see more. Well, of course, we have more details right here. Let's go up to the top. It shows a picture of the residence. It shows the PIN number, the owner, the address, the township it's in, and it shows the assessed valuation. And when you get down to the bottom, you see the properties that are similar to yours. You don't see the actual pictures, but it shows the comparables. Previous tax bill, all the details you want to see, it's right here. We did it because we're transparent. We want you to only pay the taxes that you have to pay. We don't want you to overpay. And we want to make this process simple. So when you get down to the bottom, it's time to compare. We're saying that what your tax bill should have been is $5,321. Your previous tax bill was $6,284. Your estimated tax savings is close to $2,900 over 3 years, almost $1,000 a year. And how much do we charge for this? Only $419. That's it, $419. And the biggest part of this is that if they used your affiliate link to come here, you get to make up to half of that, up to $220. Your minimum you're going to make is $79 on a transaction. That's if a homeowner pays about $160 for the package, you make $79. It goes all the way up to your maximum compensation is $220 if you're selling these solo out there. Now you may be thinking, how am I supposed to find these things? We're willing to give you leads. All we need you to do is to sign up and we will send you red hot leads. When the township opens, we're going to create a list from maximum estimated savings all the way down to no savings. And we're going to start to send those to you if you send us an email. And I'm going to give you more details in a little bit. In this example, this township is not open yet. So we say, hey, here's an email address. Send us your email and we'll let you know when the township opens so you can come back and file. What happens then? They enter their information. A printout automatically filled out of their appeal comes out ready to go. All they need to do is print it, sign it, and mail it in. And voila. It's as easy as that. Now, let's talk about the process a little bit more. I mentioned the opening dates and that those townships are opening at different times and they're only open for about 30 days for appeals. You can look here, River Forest and Riverside opened on January 29th, 2016. In February, Evanston and Rogers Park open up. Then New Trier, Oak Park, Barrington, and Cicero open up in March, and so on and so forth. And you can see the appeal window is open all the way till Hanover in September. So you can be making money for 9 and 10 months via this process. And we want you to do that. So let me tell you about that. How do you become an affiliate? Well, there's 2 different ways that you can help us, help you to help others. We want to make your time worth it. And I don't know how much time you have. I don't know if you can make full-time money on this because you may have other obligations. You may have family. You may have other jobs. But I'll tell you what, this can be very lucrative if you put in a couple hours a week, a couple hours a month, or if you a couple hours a day, you can make significant income. So let's talk about this. There's 2 different options. There's a flying solo. This is simple, right? You get paid 50% of each transaction's proceeds. The more the client saves, the higher your payment, okay? It's from $79 per transaction for the minimum and up to $220. Now, this is if you're just going to go out and do this by yourself. You're going to email support@sadtaxman.com. That's support@sadtaxman.com. And when you do that, that means you are going to go out and you are going to look to go to these homeowners and have them sign up for this. You can even show them with a tablet or an iPad in front of them at their house. Look, I'm going to enter your information in, your address or your PIN number from your notice, and you can show them the estimated tax savings right there. Now, if you think, hey, I need to get a whole fleet of people to do this, we have a different option. But I'm going to jump here and I'm going to show you these leads. We don't just give you leads, we give you red hot leads. You let us know the zip code or the township that you're interested in, and we will send you a list that includes their names, address, and phone numbers in some cases, and their estimated savings. So that you can get out there and you can work from the top of the list down. And once you're done with those, you can request another list. We want to make sure that nobody pays extra in taxes, not that they don't have to. And we want to make sure that you get rewarded for that. Now, if you decide, hey, I know a bunch of people that would be interested in this, you can be a team player. You can go recruit people. Now, this is a classic direct marketing model. Your per transaction compensation is lower, but you get paid not only for your own sales, but for the people who you bring in and the sales they make. So let me show you real quick, and then we'll get into an example. If you want to build a team, and I'll show you an example in a minute, you don't get 50% of the transactions that you sell, you get 36%. But the key here is if you recruit other people, you get a portion of their commissions as well. So you bring somebody in, they make a sale, you get 7% of that sale. And I'm going to show you an earnings example down here so that it makes complete sense. And I'm going to walk it through it with you, and then I'm going to show you a diagram at the bottom. So let's say Mark is our township ambassador. He wants to go the team approach. So he recruits Eric, and Eric recruits Maria. Mark is a level 1, Eric is a level 2, and Maria is a level 3. And I'll show you a diagram in a minute, but just stick with me and it all makes sense. Every time Mark makes a sale, he gets 36%, which is $57 on a $159 sale. Again, because it's percentage based, the higher the estimated tax savings, the larger his commission. Since Mark recruited Eric, Mark also gets paid as a level 2 every time Eric makes a sale. And this is the power of passive income. And if you think passive income is music to your ears, this is the model for you. So here's a breakdown. Eric gets 36%, Mark gets 7%. When Mark makes a sale, he gets 36%. But when Eric makes a sale, Mark gets 7% of that. And when Maria makes a sale, because she was recruited by Eric, when Maria makes a sale, Mark gets 2% of that. So again, Mark makes a sale, he gets 36%. If Eric makes a sale, Eric gets 36% and Mark gets 7%. If Maria makes a sale, she gets 36%, Eric gets 7%, and Mark gets 2%. But if Maria tells her friend Mia that, hey, this is the greatest deal, you got to come in, we only pay Mark 3 levels, Mark, Eric, and Maria. So Mia is not in Mark's network. Eric would get paid 36% on any sales he has. Maria would get paid 36% on any sales she has, and Mia would get paid 36% on any sales she has. But the other commissions, the 7 and the 2%, would change. Anyways, you can see it all here. We're transparent. It's on our website. You can come back here and look on your own. Again, I'm on here. But the key is that we have these red hot leads. As soon as the township opens, we're going to let this computer digest all these numbers and spit out a list of the highest estimated property tax savings all the way down to the lowest, so that you can request it by easily as registering. And I'll show you how easy it is to register right now. You say, this is it. I want in. I'm in. Go there right now, sadtaxman.com. You can either sign up to be a team player or a solo plan. If you go with the solo plan, you enter your name, first name, last name, address, city, state, all of this. You're going to sign up and create a password and username and account on here. Because what we're going to do is we're going to create your affiliate link off of this. That means you can send that affiliate link out, and we'll talk about options how you could do that. You could use social media. You could print it on a business card. You could do whatever you want. You can invite people to a meeting, have them into their home and tell them about this. We'll talk about that in a minute, but this affiliate link that you get from here is going to enable you to send this out to a bunch of people and have them come in and sign up, and then you'll get that passive income as soon as they purchase the appeal. If you want to look at terms and conditions, they're on here, but you click sign up and you'll get an email directly from us telling you all the things you can do. Now, we're going to make sure to give you plenty of information. We're not just going to leave you hanging, because when you become an affiliate, sorry, I'm going to scan down to the bottom here. We've got support and training. Even if you've never sold anything, but you think this sounds awesome, we're going to give you our affiliate handbook, our affiliate marketing guide, and a quick start guide. You're going to learn how to use these tools that we have. And you know what? We're not going to charge you anything. There's 0 startup costs. We don't ask you to purchase anything from us. No monthly sales quota, no inactivity penalties, no complicated structures. And the best of all, this isn't something that nobody wants. Everybody in Cook County needs to take a look at this site to find out if they have estimated savings. That's it. You got to sign up. You got to click the button to get started, to register yourself and figure out, hey, do I want to be a team player or do I want to be solo plan? Now, what can we do from here? Check out the rest of the site. You can check out the opening dates. You can ask any frequently asked questions, or you can figure out what we're about. You can come back here and you can listen to this webinar again, or you can go check out the website, but definitely register. I mean, you need to become an affiliate to help the people out there who don't know about Sad Tax Man and who really want to save money on their property taxes. Now, let's talk about how you can spread the word. There's many ways that you can do this. So we can talk through a few right now. You need to introduce people to Sad Tax Man to make sure they use your affiliate link. You know, here's a bunch of different ways that you could do it. You could let your friends and neighbors know if you live in these townships. that they can check out Sad Taxman and give them your affiliate link so that when they register, it's right there. If you have word of mouth, people trust you. People like you. People know you. And that word of mouth, it's like gold. You can use social media. These things like Uber ride credits, where you can share your affiliate link and you get credits based on it. Same sort of thing here. You can make money with your affiliate link. While you're sleeping, people can be registering and money can go into your bank account. You can use Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Facebook's great. If you know something about Facebook ads, you can do it there. Just don't be too pushy. Let the site convert the people. When they get there, they'll see how transparent we are in Sad Taxman. Make sure they have your affiliate link. Make sure they go in there and just see if they have an estimated tax savings. And then if their township isn't even open yet, they can fill out their name in that email box and we can send them a notification right before it's time. You'll still get your commission when they register, when their township opens. Now, if you say, hey, look, I want to get a bunch of people together, whether it's in a library, whether it's in your office, whether it's in your living room. Let's say maybe you're a small business owner and you have access to your own physical space, like a body shop or a beauty salon or a bakery. We have a poster that you can put up with the link on there. You can have your seminars right in your own space and you can promote your own business as well as Sad Taxman opportunity. And if you don't have any place like this, well, maybe you can go to a public library. A lot of times they have free rooms, or sometimes they're so inexpensive. You can invest a little money, put some snacks out there and invite some people to it, and who knows what kind of revenue you can get from it. So you just can't wait. You're at the cutting edge right now. You can check out the full compensation and some real life earnings examples that we walk through at sadtaxman.com/ambassadors. You just can't wait. You grab your free account. There's nothing to charge. Start spreading the word. Let us give you a couple checks. And once you see the money rolling in, I guarantee you're going to tell other people about it and you're going to keep coming back for more. So I know this was a lot of information. I know I'm excited about it and I hope you're excited about it too. You need to go back and register. And if you have any questions, again, you can send them to support@sadtaxman.com and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Now, thanks for watching. Now, I want you to get out there and get back and register because this is an opportunity for you to help other people make money, save money. By doing good, you can make yourself extra income, you can make other people happy, and you can make the tax man sad. sadtaxman.com. We'll see you soon.